In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a TurboTax account. If you've decided you no longer want to keep your TurboTax account, or you want to remove your data from Intuit, this process is fairly straightforward, as long as you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, log into your TurboTax account using your usual sign-in details. Make sure you're signing in to the correct account before continuing, especially if you've used more than one Intuit product in the past. Once you're signed in, look for the Resources section. In that area, click on Change User ID, Email, or Password. Even though the wording sounds like it's only for login settings, this is also where you can access your broader Intuit account settings. After that, you'll be taken to your Intuit account page. On the left-hand sidebar, select Data and Privacy. This section is where Intuit provides options related to your personal information, account data, and privacy controls. Now scroll until you find the section that says you can request that your data be deleted. Here, you'll need to choose the reason that best matches why you want to delete your data. Pick the option that most closely fits your situation, since this helps move the request forward correctly. Once you've selected the reason, click on that choice to continue. The next screen will usually provide important details about what happens when your data is deleted. Take a moment to review this information carefully. This is an important step because deleting your data may affect access to tax records, account history, or other information connected to your Intuit profile. If prompted, follow the verification steps to confirm your identity. This may be required for security reasons, and it helps ensure that only the account owner can submit a deletion request. Just complete the prompts as they appear on your screen. When verification is complete, confirm that you want to delete your TurboTax data or account. Read the confirmation message carefully before proceeding so you fully understand the impact of the request. Finally, submit the deletion request and wait for Intuit to process it. Processing may not happen instantly, so give it some time and keep an eye on any account notifications or email updates related to the request. And that's it. That's how to delete a TurboTax account. Thanks for watching.